This is a must on every single tax debt case that we do bring aboard. What we do is an IRS compliance check. What this is a complete snapshot of your entire record and history with the IRS, all summed up into one packet. The first thing that we do is get a breakdown year by year of the balances that you owe with the IRS. In addition to the balance that you do owe, we get the exact date when this will fall off and the IRS will write off the balance down to zero. This is called the Collections Statute Expiration Date, or the 10-year rule when the IRS writes off the balance. This holds key to what solution you may qualify for. Part of the snapshot, we want to definitely get the appropriate transcripts for the account. And this involves getting the account transcript for every single balance year that you do have. The snapshot would also show what years you have missing that are not filed. And if there are years that are not filed, what we also do is get the wages and income transcript. And these transcripts show exactly what was reported to you, whether it's W-2s or different type of 1099s, and we evaluate to see if there was a filing requirement required for the missing tax filings. My name is Sergio Melendez. I am an enrolled agent, IRS Tax Relief expert. Like this video and subscribe for more. We also evaluate what is the root cause and the reasons why you owe the money. This way we could start establishing what route we might take, such as if you legally owe the money. If you filed the tax return, owe it, you legally owe it. And when you don't owe it, as far as a reconsideration program for an examination or audit, file the doubt as to liability program Offer In Compromise, or see if you're a victim of identity theft. The red flags and the proof might be in the wage and income transcripts. If there's income that's reported to you, but you never worked for that employer. This is the foundation and the base to every single tax debt case that we do have. In addition, the snapshot would show any past account history. If you attempted a resolution in the past, it would show a terminated installment plan. If you attempted an offer in compromise and it failed, it would show the rejection of the offer in compromise. It also shows any past type of examinations or audits you went through. And this is why it provides a perfect snapshot of any case when you have tax debt.